Annapolis has 38 new listings that came to market since last week. That puts 273 homes actively for sale. 19 are coming soon and 29 are temporarily off. The Annapolis rental market has 27 homes listed. 8 came to market since last Friday. It's Friday, October 16th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Annapolis. 21401 has a total of 134 homes for sale. In the past week, 9 homes were listed as coming soon, 17 went active, 12 went under contract with an average of 31 days, 11 went to pending, and 20 have settled since last Friday, with sellers getting 99.2% median of list price in 6 days. 21403 has a total of 86 homes for sale. 10 recently listed as coming soon, 14 are newly active, 7 went under contract in 11 median days, 7 moved to pending, 2 went temporarily off the market, and 17 homes sold since last Friday, averaging 31 days and median list to sales ratio of 100%. This zip code also had the highest price listing to sell in the past week, a waterfront in the Oakwood community off of Thomas Point Road. 21405 had no new activity to report since last week. Zip code 21409 has a total of 53 homes for sale. 4 will be coming soon, 7 are new to the market, 1 went into temp-off status, 4 went under contract in 9 days, 5 went pending, 12 homes closed since last Friday with a median sold to list price of 100% in 6 days. Do you have a question about your situation? Contact us at 443-776-0996 because we have answers for you to make intelligent decisions. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, October 16th, 2020. Have a super weekend, and I'll be here next Friday.